Well, guys, it is the end of 2024. Well, a couple more days to go, but we really wanted to do a year-end video of all the videos this past year, but we honestly just don't have the time. It's the holiday season, Christmas and Thanksgiving and New Year's coming. Plus, we're trying to finish up some orders for our work for the end of the year. So I mainly just wanted to jump on here to say thanks to everybody that's helped grow our YouTube channel that we've been working on, and people that have been buying some hoodies and hats. We super appreciate that. And then also kind of say where we're going in 2025. The rig I'm sitting on, the Hollywood Hooker, it's funny, I was looking back on stuff today, and we were racing this Jeep January of this year. It's crazy to think. And we brought it home, stripped it, freshened it up, and it's just been sitting all year. It's just been hanging out. So we've got this project to do. We've got this one to finish. We have a new brand we need to build and install in the Chevelle. We have a couple stick shift specific races that are happening this year. One of them is in June. There's also some Ultra 4 stuff that we want to take the 1311 on. There's some camping trips and wheeling trips we want to take Round Eye on. So, what all do we need to get done in the year of 2025? It doesn't seem like a lot, but it does take time. And when these two are running and driving again, we have a project that we're going to be working on that I'm not going to bait people into it per se, but if you're into going fast and drag racing and driving on the street and driving your race car to the street, I think you'll be interested in that little build series. Plus, we are waiting on a couple parts for the J-Truck project, and we have some more to do to that as well. We have bumpers, brake lines to do on that, and we're going to take it on a pretty cool adventure. So, a couple little things we're going to do to this one, and I've already started, just in between family coming and going and working. Took the rear number plates off. So these number plates used to mount up here, and I've come up with a game plan to mount them down here and utilize the strut that was kind of always had this kind of signature strut deal that went back in and made it look pretty cool. But all this stuff is going to be in a video. We're basically making it easier to put fuel in, easier to get to the fire extinguishers, and we're adding a high lift jack. It's never had a high lift jack. On the inside, you see that?
Yeah.
The floorboard on, there's a tree branch. On the floorboard and firewall on the driver's side, it is complete. We have to finish the passenger side. I wonder if I can sneak over there and show you guys how the firewall turned out on this side. There might not be enough light, but so it's all in, done, all bolted up. All the lines are back in. And once that floorboard and firewall on this side is done, you can obviously see there's nothing in there. We got a couple coolant tubes to do, tie that into the back. And then it's honestly cosmetics. The new vinyl, different powder coat on the wheels, we're gonna change some of that. Freshen up the front winch, freshen up the rear winch, yada yada yada. We have a lot of parts pre-cut for this right now to do another video on. As you can see, it's just kind of, it's got a bumper on it and a BMX bike. You know, that's what happens in these small shops. But we do have some new hoodies. If you're interested, I'm wearing one of them right now, the Hollywood Hooker hoodie. And they're available on our website, stainlessspring.com, for pre-order until January 7th. Yep, and then we have this one as well. It's our Stainless Spring Fabrication hoodie. It says Fab the World on the bottom. Been saying that for, seems like years, because it's been like 25 years. We have some Stainless Spring Racing hoodies. And on the front, they're initialed, Stainless Spring Racing, and that one says SBF on it as well. So those are available on our website, like I said, stainlessbrain.com, and they're available right now for pre-order. So if you order one in the next couple days, the order that is on there is going to be processed January 7th. So those will get shipped out pretty quick. So on this one, it does have a long list, but it'll go pretty fast. We are about 2 days of tinkering on it before we can wrap sheet metal. We can start plumbing the radiator. We got to build the fuel cell, put the fuel cell in. Once the fuel cell goes in, we're going to build all the sheet metal in the back, spare tire carrier. The seat mounts are done. All the stuff for the floorboards is in and done, ready for the sheet metal to go on the floor. But there is some cool TIG welding tips that we're going to show on the rest of that. I have the material for the roof. We got to buy a winch, and we're going to put a Holley Sniper injection on this one. It's a 1-barrel. It's designed for like the straight sixes. We're going to try to attach that. Then when we get down to pretty much it painted, the very last thing we're going to decide on is wheels. We haven't decided if we're going to DIY beadlock these steel wheels yet. We don't know if we're going to do aluminum ones. I have the capability to do my own beadlocks on aluminum as well. I don't know, we'll see. We did pick up a 4-to-1 kit for the transfer case. That's pretty sweet, so we're going to get that here, probably pick it up in about 3 weeks. But, so going into 2025, I was really hoping this one would not be on any build videos of anything anymore. I was hoping it was going to be done and we'd be racing it, but we haven't got to that point. So we're going to finish this, and we're going to finish this, but there's going to be no order. So you might watch a video of this one, and then see a video of that one, and then there might be a shell in here, or there might be a BMX bike, anything. Either way, we're really good at knowing enough to do it wrong, and we're definitely not professionals, but we super appreciate the support. It does mean a lot, and it really helps us with motivation to just keep grinding forward, keep getting them done. Hope you guys have an awesome new year. Spend time with your friends and your family. Don't drink and drive, but definitely party. We'll see you.